Hey everybody, it's Eva with Budget Your Life. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Welcome to day 9 of going through my mini stash and saving $10 a day. Destashing all of my minis. I don't think I'm ever going to get the title right, and we're just going to keep going with it. So day 9 in my Super Spring Savings adorable dashboards and prop coin I got from Homebody Mama Savings. I'll have her linked below, and all the different creators of the challenges I'm using will also be down below. So here's my $10 going in the bank. And we are going to go to the Paperclip, which I got from Jeanette's Journey. So let's move that there. I start at number 5. I've got the lavender dye today. Get a little bit more room. Okay. All right. 1 off to a booming start. Look at that. It barely got out for 1. That one made up for it. 1, 2, and 3. 1 and 2. Ooh, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and 3. 1 and 2. 1, 2, and 3. I'm trying to like gently place it in there so that it doesn't come flying out. But it does whatever it wants anyway. 2 for 2. 2 for 3. And our last one will go on number 4. And then we will start at number 5 tomorrow. Okie doke. I hope you are having a wonderful week. Not sure we are going to finish any today. It just kind of depends on how the dice and little prop coins got along today. Oh, all right. So we have $1.50 going into number 1. And number 1 is from Candy at Stuff and Budget. So I can do 4, 5, 6 more circles. And I will be right back. All right. So $1.50 going into number 1. And that adorable one will save us $6. All right, number 2. Number 2 got $1.50 as well. And this one is from Lindsay at Bookish Mama Budgets. So I can finish off this one. And do 4 more. Perfect. 2 more dollars, and that will save us 5. Number 3, that little face just is so adorable. All right, so we have $1 going there. $1.75 in number 3. And number 3, oh, is this cute one from Save with Judy. It says, Hello, Spring. So I can do 7 more. So simple, but so pretty. That will save us 6. All right, number 4. Oh my gosh, another $1.50. Number 4 is, oh, it just needed 50 cents. This one's from Kimmy's Corner. And I need a red and a green. Yay, that saved us $5. Yep. So we have $1 we can put in a new one. Let's go to our extras. Let's do this one from Rainbow Budgets Co. Let's see, it's the Humu Nuku Apua. Ah. I probably just butchered that, but I really wanted to try. All right, so we are going to do 4 letters. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4. So we got the humu part. All right, number 5 got the dollar bill. So we have $1.75 going to number 5. And number 5 is from Lindsay at Bookish Mama Budgets. I don't think this one will work. Let's do. We have 25, 50, 75, $1. And then 25, 50, 75. This will save us $5. All right, so we have $2 going into number 6. Number 6 is only needed $1. All right. This one is from Mint Dough. And it's Happy Halloween, and we just made each little icon 25 cents, which saved us $2. Perfect. And that means we still have, yeah, because I already put the $1 away. So we have $1 we can put into the next one. What do we have back here? From Millennial Saver, Flocking Fabulous. That is like summer in a little tiny picture. All right, so we have $1. Let's do a different color. Let's do this color. All right, so we're going to put $1 into this one from the Millennial Saver. Yay, we finished some. All right, so we're going to go back to the front, mix up our little prop coins, our $10 worth of prop coins that matches the cash we bring in every day. And then when we finish some, we go to our bank and we withdraw. So we have a 5 and a 2 for $7. So let's grab, do we have a 5? We do. We have a 5, 6, 7. Perfect. And then we put our cash back here. And our completed challenges here so we can keep track of those. Awesome. That was a good day. That was some good savings. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. I appreciate it. I hope you have an amazing day and you're doing really well. And until next time, take care. Bye.